Ma nitkellimx bil-Malti imma nifhem sometimes. Started to learn Maltese when I arrived. So for now, I'm trying to learn this language for about 3 years. And I really like it. I like how it sounds. My name is Vera and I'm the Visitor Experience Officer in BirdLife Malta. I came from Russia as a volunteer in 2022, and then less than a year I joined BirdLife as a full-time staff. Working with people and in nature is like combined everything I like. I'm coordinating also Nature Guardians program, and I'm an educator with the kids. So every session with kids is my favorite moment because it's always different. They give me a lot of energy, their smiles, their feedback. Whenever you see that they learn something new, it's like the best revenue. I'm also the warden of Foresta, so when I'm warden of Foresta, I'm coming there. When I have kids, I usually prepare something in the morning. In the evening, we have sessions. Sometimes I'm going ringing in the morning, and the rest of the week working on some projects. My favorite bird is definitely a kingfisher, because I think it was the first bird I saw in Malta which actually caught my attention. I'm like, what is this blue spark in the air? And they're so fluffy and their leathery legs. Oh,